guess what? Today is bathroom install day and I'm super excited to get this place transformed from gross to cute. It's gonna look super fabulous. I'm gonna be using my quadro style floor stickers and accent tile, but before I do that, I've gotta get this place cleaned up and prepped and ready to go. So follow me along.
It's important that you make sure that your tiles are clean before you get started. I used a multi-purpose cleaner to clean the accent tiles and the floor. Make sure it's also dry before you get going. A few tools that you're going to want to have on hand are a soft cloth, some scissors, a pencil, a box cutter, and measuring tape. Once you're ready to get started, just simply peel the backing off of your sticker and place it onto the tile. You can use a soft cloth, a firm card, or even your hand to smooth out the bubbles. An option for those tricky places is just lay your sticker down and take a box cutter and cut around the edges.
Okay, so our floor tiles were installed very crooked. There's a lot of, even around the tub, even though it's a straight line around the tub, a lot of them kind of get smaller as it goes up. So in order to get the stickers to fit the floor properly, I'm just taking the back of one of the stickers, and I'm using it as a template, and then I'll label it top, left, right, and bottom so that I know when I'm placing it on top of the sticker to trace it out, that I know which side is which so that I can lay it down properly. So here we go. Okay, so I've labeled it top, right, bottom, left. I'm going to place it up against on the floor, up against the tub. Use my pencil. I'm going to trace out where I need to cut it. Take my scissors, cut out my template, take my tile sticker, and let top, right, bottom, left, put it on here, and I'll trace it out also with a pencil. And then I'll cut it out and place it down. Pull it back off. Super easy. Line it with my tiles. Done.
Once again, cutting out those tricky areas is all a matter of putting your template down, tracing it, cutting it out, putting it down again, and cutting it out some more until you get it just right. The template idea worked so well that we decided to do it around the rest of the bathroom. Here's a fun tip. Don't waste those extra scraps. We used a couple of our scrap pieces that fit perfectly underneath our cabinet. The templates were great around the toilet area, making your tile stickers look like perfect custom tiles.
This is the simple part. Super easy. These things are so small. Even my son can do it. I'm going to start with the ones that don't need any trim. Like around here, I'm going to skip those for now, and I'm going to move on to the ones that I can just simply stick and go. Okay, so I was applying the accent stickers when I realized they would look like there were bubbles underneath it. Only they weren't bubbles, they were bumps from old grout that had been sort of sloppily applied to the tile years ago before we moved in. So before I continue, I've just grabbed a razor blade and I'm just wiping over those bumps so that it's a nice smooth surface so that I can come back and put the accent tile stickers on with no issues.
Quadro style stickers are so easy to apply, but they're also easy to keep clean. Just wash with a damp cloth or a damp mop. Here's the before, and here's the after. Quadro style stickers are water resistant, making them great for bathrooms. And we are so thrilled with how ours turned out.